Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix iPhone too slow problem. If your iPhone is too slow, let's fix it. So the first step is to restart your iPhone. Tap on volume up button, down button and hold the power button. The second step is to update software. Go to settings, go to general, tap on software update and update if any updates available. Update it, install and update it. The third step is to uninstall all apps or update all apps. Go to App Store, tap on profile icon and tap on update all. Tap on update all and update all apps. The third step is to remove unused widget. Swipe right. Now from here, edit home screen and remove widget. Remove the widget which is not useful. So the fifth step is to clear cache, clear Safari cache. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on Safari. Now scroll down. Now tap on clear history and website data and clear all history, or you can select any and tap on clear history. Now the sixth step is to visual effect, reduce motion. For this, go to accessibility, go to tap on motion and turn on reduce motion. Turn on reduce motion. If these steps does not fix your problem, so the final step is to replace battery. Check battery health. To do this, go to battery, tap on battery health. If your battery maximum capacity is below 70 degree, try replacing a battery. That's it. Thanks for watching.